Yo, what's up guys? I'm not gonna lie, I just cooked up this new After Effects script and it's my first time ever doing like any coding like within After Effects and the editing software. And so basically I just wanted to show it off here and tell you that it's for free right now on my PayHip. You can pay whatever price you want to, but please give me some money. I'm broke. And also, I barely have like subscribers, so like this is for y'all and anybody who tunes in and sees it and watches this. Please make sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'm gonna get right into the script that you guys will see in the description. So when you have your footage right here and you want to apply like this quick VHS effect, all you have to do is, after you have it installed, go to Windows and go down here where it says Quick VHS. You're going to want to click on it and it's going to pop up this dock right here, or it's going to probably pop, it's probably going to, let me undock the panel. It's probably just going to, that's not what I want to do. Let me just undock it. It's probably going to show up like this, but if you guys want it in there, just hold like right there and then just drag it over here. But yeah, you're going to be shown this dock right here, this panel right here, and all you got to do is just press apply VHS look. It's going to say VHS look, apply successfully. You're going to press OK. And then when you go into it, you get this amazing VHS like look. And I think it looks amazing. It's a quick and easy script. No external plugins. And you get this cool creative effect right here. So I really hope y'all go down to my link in the description, go to the PayHip, and get this script, install it. It's my first time ever doing something like this. I'd love to see your feedback. And yeah, just tune in. Thank you.